Where's the ulod? Ayla, kuhaan nga mo niyo ilamon.
Diba?
Kilit, hindi niya, amo niya, ari lang ko. Ato, ato.
Yeah?
Nan. Boy. Uy, basi ang mais gabuton mo.
What's that?
Oh, there's an egg. A small one.
Where?
Do you see that?
Cute. Ano na ano?
Egg sa ano ni pa? Maya.
Ka?
Maya.
Anong Maya?
It's a kind of bird.
I want to keep it.
But you
No.
can't raise it.
Loki.
No. We will put it back so that the mother Maya will come back.
Why does it call it Maya?
Yes.
Why does it call it Maya?
Because that's its name. It's Maya.
They call him Maya? That's his name?
Hey.
Oh,
We're gonna clean
What?
this up.
What?
We're gonna cut the grass so that the dragon fruit will grow healthier and taller. Welcome to our farm. Lumaki po kami sa farm,
Mama.
Your Honor.
Please. Daddy.
We're gonna cut the grass
Cut the grass.
so that the dragon fruit will go taller and taller.
Dragon fruit. Mama, ano nang...
What spike?
That's okay.
It's dragon fruit. It's dragon fruit, Ayla.
Dragon fruit?
It's like the dragon fruit on Lolo Idoy's house.
But it's
Did you see it?
spiky. But it's spiky.
Because it's dragon fruit's characteristic. It have spikes so that you can't easily touch it and get.
Protects?
Yeah, it protects her. It protects its body. Yeah. Oh,
Are disgusting.
why it's disgusting?
That is funny. It's coming from...
It's not a call, it's an alarm.
Mama, turn off.
You press the stop.
This?
Yeah.
Stop it.
Why you can stop it like this?
Oh yeah.
Slide it up. Slide it up. Fly me to the moon and let me see around the
Mommy.
La 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 la.
Mama, hold this.
Mapabakal ko bla. Ma, can you buy us garab? Okay, mother. Can you buy us garab so that we can use it everywhere and every time?
Cannot.
Okay. Ayla, Halinda.
Why?
It's a lot of mosquito there.
Let's see if I can.
Araw nga gamit niya. Magba.
I cannot reach this.
May lamon na natana mga 5 ka putok-putok ka dragon fruit. Ayos yun. Amat-amat lang. Hindi ko balo manggarab mo.
To climb this. Mama.
Langga, you can't hold that kawayan because it's old. It's already old. You might fall if you try to grab it.
You are very disgusting.
Disgusting.
Like, ew. Yeah, you disgust it.
Disgusting.
Like dirty. You're disappointed.
Risky girl.
Thank you, Ga. Thank you.
Nani, nani, na. I'm gonna help my daddy.
You're gonna help your daddy, but you are playing. I'm gonna help daddy so that I am standing here and
Nyanya.
filming him. Baboy na lang ha. No, Ayla. Let Papa do it. Let Papa do it. You grab the small one. You grab the small one. Yeah. Just find small grass and then you grab it. Like that. Yung nakaon isang kanding boy. May mga gagmay pagkali sa sulod eh. Pali. Nami pa kanding.
What's this? Mommy, what's this?
It's dragon fruit.
It's dragon fruit.
Baklan mo ko kalat. Baliwan na lang.
Ah,
Tapos
Mama,
dalon mo diya.
dragon fruit.
yung bantayar niya.
Uso ta kaway kanding sa buhok
Dragon
ko boy.
fruit, Mama.
Dagar ka lang.
Dragon fruit.
Sirikwa ka na.
Naga nakakas ni haw.
Ano?
Ariyo. Na dragon fruit.
Karab nito.
Napatay na ni saya boy. Gani no, naga nakakas niya. Kung butang ko lang ni sa matubo lang.
Dragon fruit. Kung utang kau ni Mama, matubot lang ko.
Ayla, Papa said you're yamuhat.
No, I disgusting.
Do you accept that you are yamuhat?
No, I disgusting.
What the meaning of disgusting?
Ew.
Ew.
Time to blow up by boiling.
Your body will get itchy.
Squashy. Yes, squashy. Lang.
Ha? Tipo na lang. Ouch!
What motherfucker?
Mother, father, gaga. Ako yung isang leg niya. Mother, father.
This is disgusting grass. It smells so bad.
Pidiron na. Kaya mga abuno, taga mais-eating of taning dragon fruit.
Mama,
Yes!
I'm grabbing it with my hand.
Okay. Good job. Sorry. My phone fell off.
Mommy,
for the birds, Langga.
For what?
To scare them.
Looks like not a square squirrel.
Scares. Yeah. Someone else uses scarecrow, but we uses that kind of ano.
Flag.
Yeah.
Hey, no. Huge.
Isul dyan kay maigo ka, Papa. Down there. Sige. Thank you.